Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today I am on blackboard, whiteboard. Yeah, we are going to learn 10 important words in Dinka language. This Dinka language. One, mondit. Mondit. It should be like ma o nya. Ma o nya. Da ita. Mondit. Mondit. Mondit means old man. This is old man. Mondit. Number two, ting dit. Ting dit. Ting dit. Ting dit means old woman. Old woman. Ting dit. Number three, what did. What did. What did is like this. What a da ita. What did. What did mean grandfather. Grandfather. What did. Ma did. Ma did. Ma a da ita. Ma did. Ma did mean grandmother. Ma did. Look here, there is a separation here. This is wa. If we add this one, dit in Dinka mean big. Big always is dit. In Dinka, it's like this. Wadit, like big father. Madit, big mother. That's how we call it in Dinka language. So number 5, mandit. Mandit mean big child. Mandit, big child. Number 6, mankor. Mankor means small child. Kor is the opposite of dit. Dit mean big. Kor mean small or little. Number 7, pal. Pal, if you want to pronounce it in Dinka, is like pa a la. Pa a la. Pal. Pal mean knife. Knife in Dinka. Pal. Number 8, war. War in Dinka. Then in English is called river. Number 9, abor. Abor, you can see there is a long pronunciation. Abor, a, ba, o, ra. A, ba, o, ra. Abor. Abor mean plot. Warashabor. For example, Warashabor mean the river is plotted. Warashabor. Number 10, queen. Queen is ka, u, I, na. Queen mean put. Queen in Dinka mean put, or you call it cham put. Okay, let me do Maraga summary. 1, mondit. 2, tingdit. 3, wadit. 4, madit. 5, mandit. 6, mandkor. 7, pal. 8, war. 9, abor. 10, quindit. By William Bajak Edupi Tongjang. Kene en talk well take more are coming. I will be doing short word in this blackboard. If it is good, guys, please tell me that blackboard kana panyin ku bagat get bayadwang ni ate chen ka ban kwarnyin en waga leben dornali ka wek kuyania. Ayan William Bajak. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also go to Facebook and follow us there. Also subscribe to our Facebook. There is a subscription button there. Subscribe. I will appreciate you. Thank you very much. Don Kuyane and William Majak. Bye bye for now.